God, I have left with so much abundant crops and husk waste. So what can I do? Let me eventually burn it out. Let's burn it. Hey man, what are you going to do?
I think that he's going to burn all the husking crop. Isn't it, sir?
Yes, because I have no option left.
Oh no, sir. You've got the wrong way.
Yes, we mean to explain you is that burning can cause vital pollution. So what I have to do?
Guys, today I show you that how parali harm to our environment. As you can see that we are doing it in a small scale, and it is still causing pollution and smoke in our environments or in our atmosphere. So you can imagine that how we do it in large scale and how it can cause big harm to our environment.
Parali or stubble burning has significant environmental issues. It causes air pollution, economic losses and climate changes, which will eventually lead to a worst city ever.
You know that it can cause you and your family chronic health issues, and it will lead to sudden increase in pests and diseases. Okay, now I got it, but what else is the option left if I can't burn my parali?
Well, sir, you can put all the stubble in a pit or a field yard and then you can convert it into a compost or manure.
Yes sir, it's an easy process which turns your parali into organic manure, enriching your soil fertility. But how can it be done?
Well, sir, we'll show it to you with the help of an experiment. Hello guys, today I'm going to show you that what we can do instead of burning parali. As you can see that we are making pit compost by which we can obtain fertilizers and manure which can make our soil improvement. Thank you so much.
Now I show how to do it. First I make a hole in the ground. Then I put the dry grasses. This will be converted into fertilizers after a few months.
Fertilizers can improve the quality of soil and it will be very beneficial to us. Thank you so much. We hope you must have got it, sir.
And yes, we hope that you will never burn parali again. Yes, thank you for showcasing me the reality outcome in a wonderful manner. I will make sure to not burn the parali next time. We will not burn the parali again. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.